Hey, what's going on, guys? Here's a brand new 2020 Craftsman T240. Brand new 2020. I'm gonna show y'all in this video on how to bypass your seat switch. You know, that little switch right there. So when you get off your seat, the mower, you know how it does. It shuts off. Let me show you here. I already got it jacked up, tinkering with all them sensors and relays that open and close as you get off the seat, let go of the brake pedal, disengage the blades, try to go in reverse, things like that, and the mower shuts off. In this video, phase one of many, I'm going to show y'all how to bypass the seat switch. You know, let me show y'all for that don't know. When you get on the mower, start it up. There you go. Starts up. And then you know, when you go to get off the seat, it dies on you. Or you go to, you know, on these brand new ones, you go to cut grass in reverse. Well, first thing you got to do is, can't get that down. Let me get a flathead screwdriver there. I can't get the clip. Excuse me. Where are... there we go. Stay tuned, there's another video right there. Brand new Craftsman pressure washer. Show you all the pros and cons of a brand new one versus an older Craftsman pressure washer. Reach in there just like that. Undo that clip. There we go. There's for your seat. Luckily on these newer ones, you don't have to put a jump wire in them like you did on your older Craftsman. On old Craftsman, you had to put a jump wire in them. So now this one, we should be able to now start it. We won't be able to get off with the brakes not applied, but we'll be able to get off the seat. I said there's phase one. The seat's going to be disconnected for the safety switch for the seat. Don't try this at home, by the way. You're going to avoid some warranties. Now we got to keep the brake applied, but as you can see, we can get off the seat. But as soon as we let go of the brake, it's going to shut off. We'll do that switch next. Alright guys, there's phase one on that switch. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you how to disengage your brake switch. And then I will, well, it's jacked up in the air so the hood won't lean forward. But this has got that 22 horsepower 700 series Kohler. It's a brand new 2020. Just bought it yesterday at my local Lowe's. And then I'll show you how to, in the next video, how to make it so you can cut grass in reverse. Because these new ones got a safety feature. You go to try to cut grass in reverse, mower will shut off. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll show you how to do it.